Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm currently standing in front of the St. Constantine Hotel, where I have been spending my vacation. In this video I will give you a review of this place. If you are considering staying here, if you are thinking about booking your vacation here, please stay with me as I will show you around. We walk into the reception and lobby area. A bit outdated computer and internet access point on the left side from the entrance. In the object there are 3 outdoor pools areas, and you are now seeing the smallest and probably the oldest one. The newest part of the hotel is equipped with elevators, however in the summer 2018 they were still not working. Now you can see the biggest pool in the hotel. It's also the most quiet part of the object. Unfortunately, the vast majority of this pool is in the afternoon in the shadow. Some rooms in the hotel have also tiny balcony pools. Some have huge rooftop terraces. On the top of this building people are getting married, and on the left side there is a nice outdoor restaurant. There are also rooms with direct access to the big pool. In the very center of the object there is a beautiful Greek Catholic chapel. This is the 3rd pool, and this is where the most of the fun happens, as the water slides are here. Now this is the snack bar area. And there's the outdoor spa.
Every day and every night. appears a very strange lounge in the very middle of the object. It was probably where the reception was before the hotel has expanded. There is also a restaurant at the rooftop of the reception building. The basement of the reception building is actually quite disappointing. I imagine this mini club presents itself better in the high season. Now this is just depressing and the whole potential is being lost. As the water is not heated and obviously cannot get warm from the sun, no one uses this pool. The gym is very outdated and actually half of the equipment does not work.
As you already know how the whole hotel looks like, let's see now an actual room.
As for the cosmetics, you only get shower gel, and those are not being resupplied during the whole stay. The food was actually pretty good, I couldn't complain, but that does not apply to beverages. All the all-inclusive beverages, including coffee, wine, all the juices, they were all just very bad. I would rather have 1 cup of nice coffee than those machines from which people are getting a lot of drinks and throwing away half of them. And that's about it. I hope you enjoyed the tour. If so, give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and maybe see you next time.
Hi, welcome to my channel. My channel. You know now, you are familiar now with the whole. You. Oh Jesus.
Nie musisz tego zgubić, tak pukać.
A ja chcę pukać, jak wieśniak jestem ze wsi, będę pukać. I się wszystko nagrało. Cześć.